let's try this one. Try natin. May nag-try na ng una eh. Hindi niya makuha yung hamburger. Try natin for Arden. Arden. Let's try. Let's try, go. Woo! Laglag. Yay! Nanalo ko. Nakaka-addict to, labs. Pero okay lang, nakaisa tayo. Yay! French fries, Arden, your favorite. Bukod sa price, meron pa siyang ganito, Fanclo Singapore /redemption. Chinek ko yung website, tanggalin daw tong sticker, may points daw yan. Tapos kung ano yung points, meron ka pang pwedeng ma-redeem na price sa website nila. Let's check kung ilang points. Ayun, you have won 1,000 points. Let's check sa website kung anong ma-redeem natin sa 1,000 points. So, eto na nga yung website ng fanclo.com/redemption. Yan, 1,000 points. Check natin. Browse price catalog. Sort by. Wow, ang taas. 66,000, 91,000. Wala naman ditong tigwa 1,000 points. Points low to high. So, kailangan kong collect ng more toys from claw machine. Walang tigwa 1,000 eh. Ayos din ang catch nila para mag claw machine ka pa more. Ayun.